Jai Hind students, my name is Atmaram and in this video we will start our second chapter, addition. Let's revise what we have learned till today. Addition is used with a plus sign. This is the symbol of addition. It is also called as plus. Addition can be used to positively include anything. Remember, when you change the order of numbers while adding, the sum does not change. Whenever you are changing the order of numbers in addition, it doesn't affect on answer. Let's see one example. 65 plus 25. Let's add it. So at first we have to add ones place. 5 plus 5, 10. So we will write 0 and 1 will be carried to the next place. So in tens place there is 6, 2 and the 1 which we have carried. So 6 plus 2 plus 1 equals to 9. Let's change the order. Now we will take 25 at first and 65 at second place. Let's do addition. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. So we will write 0 and 1 will be carried to the next place. So 6 plus 2 plus the 1 which we have carried equals to 9. So in both the cases answer is 90. So here we can observe that if we change the order of numbers in addition, the answer remains same. The sum is always greater than the number being added, except when one of the number is a 0. So whenever we are adding two numbers, the answer is always greater than that two numbers. For example, if we add 63 and 12, the answer is 75. So 75 is greater than 63 and greater than 12. But if we add 0 in the number, we will get same number as an answer. For example, 34 plus 0 equals to 34. So whenever we are adding 0 in the number, the answer is same. But when the non-zero numbers we are adding, the answer is greater than that two numbers. When you add 1 to a number, the sum is the number after. Means whenever you are adding 1 to any number, you will get the next number as answer. For example, 78 plus 1, you will get 79. 56 plus 1, answer is 57. The sum of 0 and any number is the same number. Means whenever you add 0 in any number, the answer is the same number. For example, if you add 0 in 39, the answer is 39. If you add 0 in 68, the answer is 68. We often use addition when we have to find how many are there in all. Let's see one example to understand this. Srikanth was blowing balloons to put up on sports day. he had blown some when 4 of the balloons burst. Now only 5 balloons are left. How many balloons had Shrikant blown in the beginning? So to find this, let's write down the given things. Balloons that burst are 4 and balloons left are 5. The number of balloons that burst added to the number of balloons left with Shrikant. That will tells us how many balloons he had in the beginning. So let's add the balloons that burst and balloons left. So balloons that burst, that are 4, and balloons left are 5. So total it is 4 plus 5 equals to 9. So the answer is Shrikant had blown 9 balloons in the beginning. Let's go ahead. 3-digit addition with regrouping. Let's see regrouping ones. When you have more than 9 ones, you can regroup 10 ones. Let's see example. Many people came to watch the sports day function. 327 people left early. 256 people stayed on to watch the prize distribution ceremony. How many people had come at the start of the program? Let's note down the given things. There were 327 people who left early and 256 people stayed on. So to find the total number of people, we need to add these both numbers. So this diagram shows us that we have to add to find the answer. So let's add these two numbers. In the step 1, we have to add ones and regroup, like 7 plus 6, 13, so 1 10 and 3 ones. In the step 2, add the tens, that is 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 8 tens. Let's do it by column method. So we will draw column for ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Let's take both numbers, 327 and 256. Let's add them. So at first we need to add ones place. So 6 and 7 are there. So 7 plus 6 equals to 13. So 3 will be at ones place and 1 will be carried to the tens place. Now let's add the numbers at tens place. 1 plus 2 plus 5 equals to 8. Let's go to the next place. 3 plus 2 equals to 5. So the answer is 583. So here we can say 583 people had come at the start of the program. Now let's see regrouping tens. Sometimes when you add, you need to regroup tens as 100. Let's see one example. There were 273 students from the primary section who participated in sports day. There were 342 students more than that who participated from secondary school. How many students participated from the secondary section? So here there were 273 students from primary section and 342 students more than 273 in secondary section. So here we will, from this diagram, we will get that to find the total number of students from the secondary section, we need to add these two numbers. So let's add these two numbers and see the steps which we have to follow. Step 1, add the ones, that is 3 plus 2 equals to 5 ones. Step 2, add the tens and regroup, that is 7 plus 4 equals to 11. So in this 100 and 110, in this 11, this one indicates 110 and this one indicates 100. Let's draw place value chart to do the addition. So at first we will add ones place. So there is 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2 equals to 5. Let's go to the next place. 7 plus 4 equals to 11. So 1 we will write in the tens place and the 1 will go to the hundreds place as a carry. So that one we have carried to the hundreds place. Now let's do addition at hundreds place. So it's 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals to 6. So the answer is 615. So here we can say there were 615 students from the secondary section. Let's solve some examples from exercise 2.1. Exercise 2a. Question number 1. Regroup the ones. In that A, 377 plus 6. So in this we will add ones place at first. So 7 plus 6 equals to 13. 1 will be carried to the next place. In the next place, 7 plus this one equals to 8. Now here 3 will come as it is because there is no number to add in the 3's. So the answer is 383. Let's solve one more sum. Here the first number is 418 and the second number is 26. So at first we will add ones place. 8 plus 6 equals to 14. So 4 we will write in the ones place. 1 will be carried to the next place. Now let's add tens place. 1 plus 1 plus 2 equals to 4. In the hundreds place, 4 as it is. So the answer is 444. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe.